Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best RV holding tank treatment on Amazon. Dropping an RV holding tank treatment into your waste tank can help clear up and prevent clogs, keep your RV smell-free, and save you all of the unwanted work that comes with dirty sensors. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Camco RVTST Toilet Treatment Drop-ins. If you don't want to deal with any fussy products, Camco RVTST Toilet Treatment Drop-ins might be exactly what you need. These conveniently packaged pods of powerful yet septic-safe RV holding tank treatment make it easy to treat your waste right from your RV's toilet, as you can drop a pod or two in any time it's needed. The pods dissolve instantly, getting down to work quickly to treat your entire tank and get rid of solid waste. They feature a mix of chemicals plus coconut oil to keep your sensors lubricated and a pleasant fragrance that helps stay on top of odors. What we like about it: prevents clogs and breaks down waste and toilet tissue. Lubricates sensors with every use. Formaldehyde-free and non-staining. One pod can treat a whole tank. What we don't like about it: resealable bags may not actually be resealed. Fragrance is weak if you're looking for a noticeable fragrance. Number 2. Unique RV Digestate Black Holding Tank Treatment. Unique RV Digestate Black Holding Tank Treatment is a great option if you want to keep things moving in your RV's septic system naturally. This concentrated liquid formula uses probiotics, or good bacteria, to get to work on solid waste, toilet paper, and all of the other messes that wind up in your holding tank. Although there's no formaldehyde or bronopol in this tough cleaning solution, those probiotics number in the billions and will get to work on your waste as activated bioenzymatic cleaners to eat away at and liquefy what's sitting in your tank. What we like about it: probiotics generate enzymes to break down waste and toilet paper. Helps maintain clean sensors. Works to prevent clogs and pyramid plugs. Septic and campground safe. What we don't like about it: not as potent as other treatment products. May need to sit overnight to achieve the full intended effect. Number 3. Volterra Dorlos Holding Tank Treatment. If you can't stand the strong fake fragrances that can come with many RV holding tank treatments, you'll like the Volterra Dorlos Holding Tank Treatment. This scent-free product doesn't have anything to mask odors. If you're putting this treatment into your RV's tank, then you'll know if it eliminates odors rather than covers them up. What we like about it: safe for all RV septic systems. Scent-free formula. Prevents formation of hydrogen sulfide gases. Safe for all types of RV toilets. What we don't like about it: odor eliminating power may not last more than a couple days. Number 4. Happy Campers RV Holding Tank Treatment. RV holding tank treatments can be pricey, especially when they come in single-use pods or packages. However, if you're looking for value and affordability, the Happy Campers RV Holding Tank Treatment is a fantastic pick. Not only is this powdered formula sold in bulk to give you 64 treatments, but it's also nicely priced. And every time you add this powder to your holding tank, you'll get great results. It's septic-friendly yet strong. What we like about it: one scoop can treat a 40-gallon tank. Affordable price. Works effectively even in extreme heat and cold. What we don't like about it: may need to use additional scoops of product in very hot weather. Number 5. Whalex BioPak Natural Holding Tank Deodorizer. While your biggest priority is probably your holding tank, Whalex BioPak Natural Holding Tank Deodorizer does more than simply target the waste sitting in your RV's septic system. This drop-in product is designed to help you maintain the entire system, from your hoses to your tank sensors to valves and other components. Each individual pod works to tackle waste, odors, and general cleaning that can help you better maintain seals, valves, sensors, and hoses. As an added bonus, these pods can also lubricate the components of your tank and sewer setup, which may help increase parts longevity. What we like about it: natural enzymes are septic safe and environmentally friendly. Breaks down waste and toilet paper into liquid. Helps maintain and lubricate septic parts. Free of formaldehyde and biocide. What we don't like about it. Only lasts about a day to 2 days. Will require more frequent use if you're traveling with a group. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.